Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. The simple interest accrued on an amount of rupees 2500 at the end of 6 years is rupees 1800. What would be the simple interest accrued on an amount of rupees 6000 at the same rate and for the same period? Okay. Now we have to find out the rate of interest for the given information. That is, principal is 2500, number of years is 6 years, and the simple interest is 1800. Let us write. Let P be the principal, which is equal to 2500. Number of years is equal to 6 years, and rate of interest is what we have to find out. And the simple interest given is 1800. We know that simple interest is equal to PNR by 100, where P is 2500, N is 6 years, R is what we have to find out, divided by 100, and simple interest is 1800. Okay, we shall divide this. R will be equal to 18 into 100 divided by 25 into 6. This will be 3 times and this will be 4 times. So this is equal to 12%. So the rate of interest is 12%. Now with this rate of interest, we have to find out the simple interest for the other amount, that is other principal 6000 rupees. Now the new principal is 6000. Rate of interest is 12%. Other information is same, that is N is equal to 6 years. Now we have to find out the simple interest. This is equal to PNR by 100, that is 6000 into number of years 6 into rate of interest 12 divided by 100. This will be 360 into 12. 360 into 12. This is 720. This is 360, which will be 0, 2, 3, 4, which is equal to 4320 rupees. So the answer is A, 4320. Next question. At what rate of simple interest a certain sum will be doubled in 15 years? It means when you are investing an amount P, after 15 years it has become doubled. It means the total amount, which is equal to principal plus simple interest. So this has doubled. This has become 2P. It means simple interest will be equal to the same principal value. Now the number of years is given as 15 years. N is equal to 15 years. Let the principal be P and the simple interest is equal to P. So we shall write the formula. Simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. SA is equal to P. So P is equal to P. N is 15. R is what we have to find out by 100. This P will get cancelled here. So R will be equal to 100 by 15. We shall divide this. So 6 15s are 90. Balance will be 10. So the rate of interest is equal to 6, 10 by 15 percentage, or 6, 2 by 3 percentage. So the answer is D, 6, 2 by 3 percentage. Next question. A certain sum of money becomes 3 times of itself in 20 years at simple interest. In how many years does it become double of itself at the same rate of simple interest? Okay. It has become triple in 20 years. They are asking in how many years it will become double. Okay. In the first case, simple interest is equal to twice the principal, because then only the sum of money will become triple, because amount or the total amount will be equal to principal plus simple interest, which is equal to P plus 2P, which is equal to 3P. Okay. So this has happened in a time span of 20 years. Okay. Now we have to find out the rate of interest for this one. Okay. We know simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. SI is 2P. Right side will have P. N is 20 years. And R is, we have to find that, 100. So we can cancel this 2, this P. So rate of interest is equal to 10%. So at 10% rate of interest, the amount will become triple in 20 years. Now they are asking in how many years it will become double. Okay. So now N is what you have to find out. R is equal to 10% and simple interest is equal to P, because now it is becoming double. Therefore simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. SI is P, which is equal to P into N is what you have to find, and our rate of interest is 10% divided by 100. This will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. This implies n is equal to 10. So in 10 years, the amount will get doubled. Answer is A, 10 years. So if you see here, in simple interest, the amount will be accumulated in a linear fashion. That is, this is the initial period and this is 10 years and this is 20 years. For example, here if it is the principal amount, this will be 2p and this point will be at 3p. So if you see, the amount will be linearly increasing. Okay, this is how the trend will be. And in the next 10 years, that is after 30 years, it will be 4p. So in simple interest will be varying in a linear fashion. Whereas in the next chapter we shall see compound interest. In compound interest, the amount will be increasing non-linearly like this. It will go like this. This is simple interest and this is compound interest. So it depends on the rate of interest. But main thing we have to note down is in simple interest the variation will be linear and in compound interest it will be non-linear. Okay, next question. Next question. The simple interest on a sum of money is 4/9 of the principal. Find the rate percentage and time if both are numerically equal. It means the rate percentage and time are numerically equal. Let us write the inputs. Let P is equal to X. Simple interest will be equal to 4/9 of P. This is equal to 4x by 9. Okay. Now let the rate of interest be R and number of years be, it is numerically same as the rate percentage. So N is equal to R. Now we shall calculate the values. We know simple interest is equal to PNR by 100. We shall substitute the values. Simple interest is 4x by 9 which is equal to x into, here N is equal to R. So R into R divided by 100. So this will get cancelled. So R square will be equal to 4 by 9 into 100. Therefore R will be equal to square root of these terms, 2 by 3 into 10 which is equal to 20 by 3. We have to write it in mixed fractions. This will be equal to, we shall do it 20 by 3. 6 3s are 18. Balance is 2. So this is 6 2 by 3. Rate of interest is 6 2 by 3 percentage. Similarly, N is equal to 6 2 by 3 years. This we can write as 6 plus 2 by 3 into 12 months. This one is years. That is 6 years plus 2 into 4, 8 months. So the answer is 6 years, 8 months. Answer is B. Next question. Ashish borrowed a sum of money from a nationalized bank at 12% simple interest per annum and the same amount at 10% simple interest per annum, both for the same period. He cleared the first loan 6 months before the scheduled date of repayment and repaid the second loan just at the end of scheduled period. If in each case he had to pay rupees 3250 as the amount, then how much and for what time did he borrow? Okay. Here they have given the conditions for two loan cases, one at 12%, one at 10%. The first one he paid 6 months early and the second one he paid as per the scheduled period. But in both cases the total amount is same, that is 3250. Now they are asking to find the principal amount and the time period. Okay. Let us write the two cases. In the first case, let the principal be X. This is loan 1 and this is loan 2. Okay. In the first case, the principal is X. The rate of interest is 12%. The time period is, he cleared the first loan 6 months before the scheduled date of repayment. It means the time period, let it be T1, which is equal to some time T minus 1 by 2. That is 6 months in terms of years will be 1 by 2. And the total amount paid is 3250. Total amount is, which is principal plus simple interest, is equal to 3250. In the second case, the principal is same. The rate of interest is 10% and the time period is total time as per the scheduled date of repayment. Scheduled period. This is T and the amount is same. That is principal plus simple interest is equal to 3250. Now let us substitute the values for both cases and find out the value of X and T. Okay. In the first case, the principal plus simple interest is equal to 3250. The principal is X, simple interest is PNR by 100. X into number of years is T minus 1 by 2. into 12 divided by 100 is equal to 3250. Okay. This is case 1. In the second case, the amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. That is x plus simple interest is PNR by 100. X into number of years is t here and the rate of interest is 10% here. 10 divided by 100 is equal to 3250 because both are same. Now we can see, we can subtract these two equations. Here x is same in the first equation, second equation, and the right side also is same. That is 3250 is same for both cases. Only the interest part is differing. So let us equate x into t minus 1 by 2 into 12 by 100 is equal to x t 10 divided by 100. Now we can cancel the common terms. X will get cancelled, 100 will get cancelled. Okay. Now we can multiply. 12t minus 6 is equal to 10t. So taking t to the left side, it will be 2t is equal to 6, t is equal to 3 years. Okay, now we have got t. Now we shall substitute t in the second equation and find out the value of x. Okay, x plus x into t is 3 into 10 by 100 is equal to 3250. Okay, now we shall multiply throughout by 10. 10x plus 3x is equal to 3250, another 0, because after we are multiplying by 10. Therefore 13x is equal to 32500. X is equal to 32500 divided by 13. We shall divide this 13 32500. This will be 2 times, which is 2665. So this will be 5 times 65. These 2 zeros will go here. So x is equal to 2500. So the principal amount is 2500 and the time period is 3 years. So the answer is D, 2500, 3 years. D. We will finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.